What's this? It's a green leaf. The leaf is green. What's this? It's a green frog. The frog is green. What's this? It's a green apple. The apple is green. What's this? It's green grass. The grass is green. What's this? It's a green and brown kiwi fruit. The kiwi fruit is green and brown. What's this? It's a green witch. The witch is green. What's this? It's a green smoothie. The smoothie is green. What's this? It's a green eye. The eye is green. What's this? It's a green tree. The tree is green. What's this? It's green broccoli. The broccoli is green. What's this? It's a green grape. The grape is green. What's this? It's a yellow lemon. The lemon is yellow. What's this? It's a yellow banana. The banana is yellow. What's this? It's a yellow duck. The duck is yellow. What's this? It's the yellow sun. The sun is yellow. What's this? It's a yellow school bag. The school bag is yellow. What's this? It's a yellow pepper. The pepper is yellow. What's this? It's a yellow pencil. The pencil is yellow. What's this? It's a red rose. The rose is red. What's this? It's a red umbrella. The umbrella is red. What's this? It's a red car. The car is red. What's this? It's a red carpet. The carpet is red. What's this? It's a red chili pepper. The chili pepper is red. What's this? It's a red telephone box. The telephone box is red. What's this? It's a red heart. The heart is red. What's this? It's a red wall. The wall is red. What's this? It's a red strawberry. The strawberry is red. What's this? It's blue water. The water is blue. What's this? It's a blue eye. The eye is blue. What's this? It's a blue butterfly. The butterfly is blue. What's this? It's a blue t-shirt. The t-shirt is blue. What's this? It's a blue wave. The wave is blue. What's this? It's a blue sky. The sky is blue. What's this? It's a pair of blue jeans. The jeans are blue. What's this? It's a black and white cow. The cow is black and white. What's this? It's a white horse. The horse is white. What's this? It's a white cup and saucer. The cup and saucer is white. What's this? It's a white lion. The lion is white. What's this? It's a white dove. The dove is white. What's this? It's a white rabbit. The rabbit is white. What's this? It's a white cloud. The cloud is white. What's this? It's a white pillow. The pillow is white. What's this? It's a white angel. The angel is white. What's this? It's a black and white chessboard. The chessboard is black and white. What's this? It's a black blackboard. The blackboard is black. What's this? It's a black bow tie. The bow tie is black. What's this? It's a black cat. The cat is black. What's this? It's a black bear. The bear is black. What's this? It's a black horse. The horse is black. What color is the man's suit and tie? The man's suit and tie is black. He's wearing a black suit and tie. What's this? It's a pink pig. The pig is pink. What's this? It's a black, pink, and white kitchen. The kitchen is black, pink, and white. What's this? It's a pink Cadillac. The Cadillac is pink. What's this? It's a pink tram. The tram is pink. What's this? It's a pink nail. The nail is pink. What color are the lips? The lips are pink. What's this? It's a grey rabbit. The rabbit is grey. What's this? It's a grey cat. The cat is grey. What's this? It's a grey wolf. The wolf is grey. What's this? It's a grey-haired woman. The woman is grey-haired. What's this? It's a brown cow. The cow is brown. What's this? It's a brown chicken. The chicken is brown. What's this? It's a brown eye. The eye is brown. What's this? It's a brown paper bag. The paper bag is brown.
What's this? It's a brown horse. The horse is brown. What's this? It's a pair of brown shoes. The shoes are brown.
What's this? It's a purple and white bedroom. The bedroom is purple and white. What's this? It's a purple truck. The truck is purple. What's this? It's purple heather. The heather is purple. What's this? It's a silver kettle. The kettle is silver. What's this? It's a silver car. The car is silver. What's this? It's a silver fridge. The fridge is silver. What's this? It's a silver toaster. The toaster is silver. What's this? It's a silver teapot set. The teapot set is silver. What's this? It's silver cutlery. The cutlery is silver. What's this? It's a gold trophy. The trophy is gold. What's this? It's a gold medal. The medal is gold. What's this? It's a gold goldfish. The goldfish is gold. What's this? It's a red and gold crown. The crown is red and gold. What are these? These are gold coins.